How to fix no sound on Facebook videos and Reels on Android? This tutorial shows you how to get the audio back on your Facebook videos quickly and easily. First, check if your device is on silent or vibrate mode. Press the volume up button on the side of your device to make sure your media volume is turned up. After that, open the Facebook app and tap on any video or reel to play it. From there, look for the sound icon on the video. If it shows a muted speaker icon, tap on it to unmute the video. At this point, if the video is now playing with sound, the issue was just the in-video mute toggle. Go ahead and enjoy your content. From here, if the sound is still not working, let me show you the next fix. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Facebook and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache. Once done, reopen Facebook and check if the sound is back on your videos. Finally, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears, and tap Restart. Once your device is back on, open Facebook and check if the sound issue has been resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix no sound on Facebook videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.